So now I'm going to show you how to use your mouse on Microsoft Whiteboard. So as you notice right here, if I move my mouse over the canvas, I'm unable to write anything. So even though I choose a pen, I'm only moving the canvas to the right and to the left. So to fix this, what you do is you click on this button by your profile picture, and then you simply toggle this off. So it says active pen. So if it's on, you should click on it and turn it off. And now what you can do is simply, if you come here and you choose a pen, now you'll be able to write down anything you want. Alright, so this happens when you plug in a pen, and I already did that, and that happened to me, and I wanted to share this with you. Alright, so this is how you can fix that problem on Microsoft Whiteboard. So please don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.